What's up, everybody? I wanted to do a quick review of my new dual liner bed liner that I've installed on my 2019 F150 Super Crew with the 6.5-foot bed. I gotta say, I am super pleased with this bed liner, and I've waited to do my review until 3 weeks of ownership here and being able to use it. I ordered the liner before I even picked up my new truck because I wanted to make sure that I could install it right away and not scratch up the bed of my brand new truck. So shipping was super quick. 2 days to my house. It was awesome. And when I went and picked up my new truck, by the time I got home after work, it was totally dark outside, but I just couldn't even wait. I was so excited. I put a headlamp on and just went at it and installed the thing right away. I was thinking it might be a little extra difficult since it was like 35 degrees outside at the time, but I had no issues at all. I just put some gloves on, a headlamp, and went to town. The back wall just snaps in really like a glove. It fits perfectly, and then the sidewalls fit right in their place. And I do have the interior bed lighting here on my truck, and you can see how well everything lines right up, including the holes for the box link system, which I'll be installing very shortly here as well. But my favorite part about this liner is the rubber floor and how seamlessly it integrates with the hard sidewalls. Because my last truck had a drop-in bed liner and things would slide around in that thing like crazy. You had to secure them or they'd be banging around left and right, front and back as you're driving down the road. I have not had that experience with this bed liner at all. And that's what I was hoping for, and I gotta say, it has delivered. It is a fantastic bed liner. If you're thinking about purchasing it, you will not be disappointed.